In this video, we're going to be looking at a trade that Paris did recently on Amazon. It'll be a 1-minute opening range breakout. We'll be looking at taking partials. We'll be looking at adding on during a pullback. And we will also spend some time looking at risk management. Let's pop over to the Trading Terminal Simulator so we can see how the trade actually played out. You can access this free tool by going to tradingterminal.com. This is an excellent way to test your strategies. Before we take the trade, we want to be aware of the context of the trade. Amazon had received some positive news from the FTC. That positive news caused the stock to gap. As well, the price action pre-market was holding above the VWAP as well as the 200 moving average. All right, let's go to Trading Terminal to see how Paris executed his trade. All right, as we walk through this trade, we'll see that the price action is doing what it normally does. The first minute, it can go wild swings from highs to lows, obviously. As you can see here in the first minute that the buyers are starting to take control, even though the price did push down through, even passing the 200. And the 1-minute range has been established. We're now looking for a breakout for a 1-minute ORB. And we have it. As you can see, we're still going up, and Paris takes his first partial. At this point, it's a green trade. After first partial, it's very common for traders to move their stop loss to break even. This protects their initial profit. Let's take a moment to talk about risk. Risk is how much you are willing to pay if the trade goes against you, because the stop loss was hit. The above shows a price difference of 27 cents per share. For example, a $25,000 position at the current price would yield 264 shares. That times the 27-cent stop loss would be a $71 risk. One way to protect your capital is by reducing your share size. Instead of a $71 risk, and instead of buying 264 shares, maybe you'll only get 200, maybe only 100. You know your risk tolerance. Always protect your capital. We are now approaching the 5-minute mark. Many traders actually wait for a 5-minute breakout. Here we have the new candle printed. What they will do is they will actually watch the 1 or 2-minute chart to see how the price action is behaving. They won't necessarily jump in immediately just because a new 5-minute has printed slightly higher. They will wait for the price action to confirm before executing a trade. Looking at the 1-minute, we can see that there is a pullback. It seems to be holding well above the VWAP. Price is being pushed up once again, and this is a great time to add to your position. Every trader is different. Some will hold for a very long time, and others will slowly liquidate their position, taking profit along the way. Let's take a look at Paris's actual trade. As you can see, he has many more moving averages than what we had on the trading terminal. The price is well above moving averages. As you can see, he has levels marked there. And on the white chart, you can see that we have the CAM levels marked, R4, R3. The price action is reacting around R3, bouncing off of it and moving up. All right, back to the chart. We're 7 minutes in, and Paris is all out. That's a great trade. So leave a comment to let us know how we can improve these videos to make your trading journey even better.